Hey guys, welcome back to my cooking video. Today I'll be making some pepper stew. Like I told you guys, I will be making some, like using the chicken and the fish, and the most important ingredient, which is the pepper sauce. I did the other video. If you haven't seen that video, go watch the video. So guys, I'll be showing you guys step by step how to make the chicken pepper stew with the fish. So right now I got my pepper sauce, my chicken, and my fish right here, and all the sauce I need, all the season I need for that. So let's get started. I got my rice cooker, so I use this rice cooker to cook my chicken. I mean, it doesn't matter how you cook a chicken though. So I'll be showing you guys how I cook my chicken. So right now I'll be washing my chicken and make sure it's clean. You already know, just rinse the chicken with water. Put a little water in it, then you start adding your seasoning into it. First of all, I'm adding garlic right now. Yes, can you see? Or do you need more? Let me do not turn on that light. You can see? Okay. Okay. You're gonna add your thyme. You're gonna add your onion. You're gonna add your black pepper, as you can see. I don't know why I said that. That was too much. And you're gonna add your white pepper. Like I said, I like to use this season Slap Your Mama. And you're gonna add your salt to it. And you're gonna add your season. You can get this season from Walmart. And after that, you just mix it. So while my chicken is still cooking, we're gonna season the fish. So the best way you can season the fish, all you need is the garlic, black pepper, salt, and onion powder. While I'm cutting my onions for my pepper stew, I will fry my fish right now. So So guys, it's dry, then you put your oil. I'm using Corona oil.
Canola
oil. So I add my seasoning to it, just this, for some time. So I don't like to much and share. I'm probably gonna put like 2 spoons of this into the pepper sauce. Add my thyme too. Just put like 1 spoon of thyme, shaking. So guys, the sauce from the chicken we cooked. So I'm gonna add the sauce into the pepper sauce. It give it a lot of flavor.